Hi, hello friends, welcome to our skill courses channel. In today's video, we will discuss about best forex trading platforms in 2025. So let's discuss this topic until the end. So my number one is e-Toro.com. So e-Toro.com is a zero-based trading brokerage platform. So let me see it. I'll come here in Google and then I will type here e-Toro.com. It is an investment company based for a forex currencies. So I will go here in eToro. So it is, you see here, this is there are certain platform like trading. You can also trading in international trade. Investing, you can also stocks, crypto investors, investment portfolios. So I will go in investment portfolios. You see here what kind of portfolios are there. You can see all these kind of portfolios, and then you can see here in educations. If you don't know knowledge, you can take the education of eToro Academy also. So you can any kind of debt analysis you want to create in international currencies. So you go in debt analysis from here. Then you can also here in stock markets or cryptocurrency, stock, commodity currency. Suppose I want to select the currency market. So you see here currencies market are show here. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, you see here the currency market, you see USD CAD, Japanese, USD Chinese, then Hong Kong. These all are currency market. You see all of these are currency market. In this here, in this section, this platform works for the currencies. Okay, USD, Euro, Pound, Yuan. This kind of market are run from this in this working basis forex trading. IG Group. IG Group is a best forex trading also, and you can it is a best in zero based commissions, and you can also there is minimum fees we will charge from IG groups. Okay, so another I will go here in next tab, and then I will click here IG Group Financial Service Company. Okay, so I will go here IG Market, and then you see here create. If you want to create the live account, you can create the live account. There is one community and academy from here. You see here, if you want to create the account, you can create account from here. Okay, trading, in trading you see here forex. So I want to go in forex. So forex trading, you can see all the forex trading where it can be done it. So you see here CFD, DMA, forex, all clients, these all are, you see here, it is the best platform from forex tradings. So if you go here, you can also get good returns and good currencies market from here also. My number third is OANDA market. Okay, OANDA is the best forex trading platforms, and it is trade for the agencies. Okay, it should be done in currency market like USD, Euro, Pound, Yuan, and other market also. Okay, so I will go here another in Google tab over here, and then I will type here OANDA. Okay, global market. Okay, then you see here forex trading. Okay, then you see here you have to start trading or login. Suppose you have to first log in over here. Okay, account support, how to open the account, you see here. Suppose premium trader account or refer as a friend, introducing broker, you can select the account types whatever you want. Okay, account types you see here. Suppose if you don't know knowledge how can open the account, so you click here, you will get a knowledge about how to open an account. Create an account, you have to first create the account, or if you want to create a demo account, you can also create a demo account from it. In demo account, you cannot withdraw from funds to your bank account, but when you create an account, real investment, you can also create or you can also withdraw the funds from your bank account. Okay, this is the two ways. And then you can tools and resources. If you don't know technical analysis, so they can show you the technical analysis. Then they can get the meta premium tools. What are their partners, they will show you. They will help you for trading the forex also. So next is platform. You can see the which kind of platform. You can see the various kind of platforms are there. You can also do in mobile also, or trading view. There is one website is trading view, so you can see the trading view, and then you can create the meta traders and then depth market also. So this is the third way you can see the forex trading. Then number fourth, my point is that is forex.com. Forex.com is also best website for forex tradings. So it is a best and strong tool in all over the world. Most of the companies refer the forex.com also. Then so I will show you. I will go here forex.com. I will click here in forex.com. Okay. Then you see here. This is the website. You see here. Then you see markets. What are the markets are there? Where it can be forex. You see forex, indices, stocks, cryptocurrency, commodity, crude oil, and gold and silver. In this platform, it should be covered from all of these market. Okay. Then you can see the accounts, standard account, meta trading account, raw split account. You can also compare this kind of accounts over here. If you don't know financial transfer, you also get execution, margin requirement, rollover, trade prices, and you can also create a free demo account or create a live account. So if you go to demo account, so you can also get you cannot withdraw the funds from your bank, but you can deposit your funds to that trading account. Okay, when you create a live account, then you can transfer your funds into a bank account also. So platform and tools, you can go your platforms in mobile app. You can also install mobile apps. Web traders also give MetaTrader 5. These all are platforms you can also do in live tradings. Okay, news analysis, you can also see the news analysis over here. Education, these are best courses. So if you want to don't know knowledge, so you can buy that there are certain courses from here. You see here there all are certain courses. Advanced risk management course also there. Its course is going up to 3. It is only for 3 lessons. It should be advanced. So you can show the lessons. You see currency and correlation forex tradings, how to handle the event in open trades. Okay, so next is advanced technical analysis. These are also 8 lessons are there. You see here ABCD pattern, Andrew pair picture procs. Okay, then average true range, financial from financial theory. Then our favorite FIB. These are 8 lessons you see here. Then advanced trading strategies are also there. What kind of strategy you should do in the financial markets. So these are advanced trading strategy also there. These are also lessons. You can also buy the various courses from them. Okay, advanced then introduction to financial market. You see here introduction to financial market. These also lesson are show over here. This is beginner to advanced. Okay, not only for the beginners, but it is go also in advanced. Do you see the about forex.com? So what is forex.com? So you see here I will go in awards. So what kind of award they will get it? You see all these kind of awards are show over here. Okay. Then if you want to create the account, you can go to demo account and you can create an open account. So you can directly go to a open account also. These are the top fours you can create the account in the forex trading platforms. So if you like my informative video, so please like it, share it, and subscribe my channel for more informative video. So thank you.